Hi, this is Terry from Fabric Junction, and I'm here today to show you another 6.5-inch block called 4 crowns. And it resembles the bear paw a little bit. And let's see, on the quilt, it is the purple. When I made this quilt, I'm going to show you also, it is the one of them that I split across here. And you'll see I have a half a block clear up here. So that's what I did to stagger my rows. But beside the point, let's make 4 crowns. It is done with squares that I said look very similar to a bear paw. You're going to have half square triangles, little ones, and a great big one. As a reminder on how to make your half square triangle, take 2 triangles, same size, and I use my little 1/4-inch seam, line it point to point, draw my line. I keep my pencil real sharp, draw a line on each side, and those are my stitching lines. So real quick, we'll stitch it. Okay, and now I'm just going to cut it from the point to point, press to the dark. Remember, a rule of thumb is press to the dark or the less bulky. So I have my pressed, get rid of my dog ears. So that's how we make every one of our half square triangles. And each section, we can look at this one as a 4 patch, and each section takes 5 of the small ones and 1 large, and to sew it together, which I know you're very capable, so I'm not going to sew it together because you can see what it looks like. You will sew these 2 together, you'll sew a set of 3. Then you'll sew the 2 to the large, and then the 3 to it, and now we have our section of our 4 patch, and then we would sew all 4 of these together to create our 4 crowns. Now with this, I made it into a potholder. Get all my pieces out here. These are 1.5-inch strips. Those are 6.5, and if I remember, these are 8.5. 1 on each end, and I will have my potholder together. And then to finish my potholder, I cut a piece of backing fabric, piece of batting, and the batting is optional when you use Insulbright. So I just like the little bit of extra density that it gives. Put your block on the top, stitch however you want. I stitch in the ditch a lot, that's what I did, and then added my binding. And as a reminder, just go to our video on adding binding, and I show you exactly how I add binding to a potholder. That is our block. I hope you like it. It was a nice fun one, great way to practice your half square triangles, but do check out the 4 crowns block. The instructions are, cutting instructions I should say, are on our blog site called fabricjunctionjewels.blogspot.com. But if you get close by, stop in and say hi. Thank you for watching.